Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you the wiring harness, complete wiring harness of Honda Aviator, and its part number is, you can see its part number, and its cost is 1301. And this is, there are two types of wiring harness for Honda Aviator. One is for drum brake and another one is for disc brake. So this is for drum type. So before buying the wiring harness, must confirm the part number. So how to find the part number of all the wiring harness? So if you'll see your old wiring, you can get its part number here. So this portion is from the under the seat. So if you'll open the seat of Honda Aviator and the luggage box, you will get this part number. So before buying the new wiring harness, must check the old part number of the wiring harness. So here is the complete wiring harness for Honda Aviator. So what we are getting here, so here these are connectors for self motor, then tail light. I think this is for ignition coil. This is for earth. And after that, if we'll move, yeah, so here is the complete length. Now at the end of that, here is this one for relay, starter relay. Then again here, this is for, I think this is for starter relay, and this is for a flasher unit, fuse unit. Then this for battery. I think this is for horn. Then these are for switches. This is for headlight connection, positive terminal, and here the connection for CDI. Tell me about this one. Okay, this is your homework. So this is the complete wiring harness. So if your wiring harness is damaged, most of the time it is damaged by the rat. So if you are having the similar problem, or that damaged wiring harness, so if you want to repair your old wiring harness, suppose it is damaged from 5 places, 6 places, 10 places, but it is, if it is completely damaged from many places, so it is better to buy a new wiring harness. So if your wiring harness is damaged from many places, so for a complete peace of mind, you can change the whole assembly. And here in this case, the part is not that much costly. It is 1301. You can get it from Honda parts store. This is for Honda Aviator. Similarly, you can get for Honda other scooters like Activa, then Dio, Activa 125. For all, you can get it easily. Honda parts are easily available in market. And before putting this wiring harness, must take the photo of old that wiring harness, how they are placing the wires, in which direction, where you have to put this one. So you have to check all the holes where you have to put it. In the original way you can put. So see, once you will remove the old wiring harness, so it will be a confusing for you, that where I have to put from upside, from down, from left or right. So that will be confusing. Before removing, you will see like, oh, it is very easy, I can put it very easily. But once you will remove the whole wiring harness, you will be confused. So must take photos from all the direction, and before removing the old wiring harness. After that, place this new wiring harness by verifying the photo, that whether you are putting it in correct direction or not. So this is very important. And the most important thing is this one, part number. Before buying the new one, must verify the old part number. Okay, otherwise you have to face lot of problem. Most of the time the problem comes with this CDI unit. You can see this socket design. So in many CDI this design is different. Some CDI are like 4 pin, some are 8 pin. So here it is 10 legged. Okay, so this is very important. This you will not able to fit this leg in another CDI. So again you have to buy new CDI, or you have to exchange the wiring harness. And once you will this remove this wiring harness from this packet, they will refuse to return it. So this is a costly part. So before buying the new the item, you have to verify it. Okay, so please like this video, share it among your friends and family. And at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.